Assalamualaikum. This is my first video about one of the tragic moment with one of my tame bird. Name was Kakku the crocodile, and this the age of this bird was um, 5 years exactly, I believe, because I brought this bird cockatiel. The name of the bird, I named it. This bird as Kakku. So it's a crocodile bird, and I brought this bird home in the year 2019 December, and today is 2024, the end of November. So uh, basically, uh, this was one of my dearest and most adorable bird I've ever pet in my life. This bird lived with me for 5 years. This is a crocodile bird, and this bird was so playful. I really cannot express to you people how love and how tragic it was. Whenever I used to come down home, whenever I used to come down home, this bird used to, really jump over me. And on those times, I never got a chance to make a short video or something to share my emotions with this bird. But today, the time never stays still. And today, I could not save this bird.